In today's video, I'm going to be going through exactly how you can use this new AI bot called ChatGPT to help you when it comes to making money online as a complete beginner moving into 2023 and beyond. And if you're not really sure of exactly what ChatGPT is, it's basically an AI discussion tool, which means that you're going to be able to have a conversation with it, ask it any question, and it's going to be able to 95% of the time give you a detailed answer back. But there's some specific ways that you're going to be able to use it when it comes to making money online that I haven't really seen that many people on YouTube talking about. So I thought, you know what, let me make a full video breaking down exactly what you can do if you are a beginner that's looking to start making money online using this specific AI tool. So as always, I don't want to waste any more time. I want to get right into it. If you find any value in this video at any point, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much in advance. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, what you need to do is create an account. And the way that you can do that is by going to Google and typing in OpenAI. Then you're going to see ChatGPT right there, so you can just click on that. Then what you need to do is click on this option over here. So you can either sign up using your email address, or if you have a Google account, you can click on continue with Google. Then you're going to need to go through the process of entering your name, verifying your phone number. So you are going to need to verify your number before you're going to be able to proceed. So go through that entire sign up process. Once you've done that, this is the page that you're going to see. And it's a very simple user-friendly interface. When it comes to you being able to start a discussion, you can either click on this option over here where it says new chat, or what you can do is start typing in your question right here. So let's start off with one of the first ways that you can use it when it comes to making money online, which is with Amazon affiliate marketing. And for this method, you are going to need your own website, which I'm going to explain a little bit more later on exactly how you can do that in the easiest way possible. But here's one of my websites right here, which is successwithbusiness.com. And this website is obviously targeted towards people that are looking to have success with the online business and make money online. And because of that, every single article is kind of tailored around that, around all of these different types of topics. For example, how to make money online using Google, the top 11 dropshipping suppliers to use, how to start dropshipping using Google Shopping ads. But let's say, for example, I wanted to add an article on this website that could potentially help me make a passive source of income with Amazon affiliate marketing. The way that I'm going to be able to use ChatGPT is by asking it what are the top 10 most popular laptops, because I know that these items have a high commission rate. So for example, as you can see right here, I said hello, it said how can it help me today? I said, can you tell me the top 10 popular laptops sold on Amazon? It then proceeded to tell me the top 10 laptops as well as the models. I then said, can you write a blog article for each laptop please? From there, it then said it will be happy to write a blog article for me for each laptop. And as you can see, it now went on to give me a full length article that I can now publish on my website. I then copied this entire article, put it into a WordPress document. And as you can see over here, it was able to give me a 1,983 word article, which is really, really good when it comes to being able to rank on Google. Now, from this point, you are going to need to make sure that you go through it, make sure that all of the information is correct in terms of the details of each and every single laptop, as well as make sure that the grammar is correct and there's no plagiarism as well. And there's various different free websites that you can use to check that. And once you have got your article, you've gone through it, you're happy with the way it is and the way it looks, what you then need to do is go over to Amazon, making sure that you've obviously signed up to the Amazon Associates program, which again is very simple to do. And once you have been accepted for the Amazon Associates program, you're going to see this gray bar at the top right here. So from this point, you now know that you're going to be able to have access to your affiliate links. You also know that you've got your full length blog article as well. And you know that your article is also focused on the most popular laptops, which means that when it comes to people searching for that particular model on Google, there's a chance that your article is going to show up in the Google search results. And just to give you an example of what the blog article is going to look like, I've just jumped into the back end of my website. And as you can see right there, it says top 10 laptops to buy in 2023. I've made some minor adjustments to the article, and I've also pasted in the affiliate link right here from Amazon. And if I just click on preview, of course, there's a little bit more work that needs to be done to it. But just to give you an example of what it's going to look like, scrolling down, the person that's reading the article is going to be able to see the first one, which is this one, Dell XPS 13. They're going to read through all of this information. Then they're going to see my Amazon affiliate link. They can click into it just like that. It's going to take them to the product page. And if they do want to buy this product, I'm going to be able to make a commission off this total amount right here. So that's one of the first ways that you guys can consider using ChatGPT when it comes to making money online. Let's move over to the second way, which is with starting an e-commerce business, specifically using it when it comes to finding a winning product. So for example, I started a new chat and I said, hey, then it said, hello, how can it help me today? I said, what are the 3 best e-commerce categories? It then proceeded to tell me the 3 best categories in its opinion. For example, clothing and fashion, electronics, home and garden. I then said, can you tell me the 3 most popular products within the home and garden category? It then gave me the 5 products according to its knowledge and its database of what it believes to be the 5 best type of products to sell. For example, furniture, home decor, outdoor equipment, appliances, garden and tools, and supplies. So if we just take a look at outdoor equipment, I can see that it says outdoor lighting. But the main point of all of this is that I'm now able to get an idea of which type of product I may want to do a little bit more product research into for me to find the best type of item to sell. So what you can do from that point is use a product research tool. For example, in this case, I'm using Zeek Analytics, which is going to help me see exactly which items are being sold on eBay at the moment. And I've typed in garden light right there. And as you guys can see, over £62,000 was spent on garden lights in the last 30 days. Over 10,000 units has been sold, and it also has a successful listing rate of over 81%, which means that if I was to list a garden light on my eBay store right now, I've got an 81% chance of being able to make a sale. And the benefit to using something like Zeek Analytics is that if we scroll down over here, it's going to be able to show us which models people are buying the most. So for example, if I just click on this one over here, straight away we can see that this seller has been able to sell over 5,000 different units. So using the power of ChatGPT is giving me an understanding of which products are worth me selling and worth me doing a little bit more research into. It's very important, of course, to back up the data by making sure that you are doing product research using a software like Zeek Analytics. But once you have got an idea of which product you might want to sell, from that point, it's just a case of going over to a supplier's website, whether Alibaba.com, AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, wherever the case is, you're then going to be able to find a similar product and start selling it yourself. All right, so swiftly moving on to one of the final ways that I'm going to discuss in this video that you can use ChatGPT when it comes to making money online, which is with ClickBank affiliate marketing, specifically using TikTok when it comes to getting traffic. And this step-by-step process is very simple. First things first, what you need to do is sign up for a ClickBank account. Then you're going to see the affiliate marketplace. From this point, you're going to see all of these different categories at the top right here. And then what you need to do is pick one of the categories that resonate with you, a category that you believe that you're going to be able to create content about on a regular basis on your TikTok profile. So let's say, for example, you're interested in the self-help category. What you're going to do is just click on that. Then what you need to do is sort the results by highest to lowest when it comes to the gravity score. And the gravity score essentially is going to show you which one of these 461 different products within this particular category has the highest conversion rate amongst all of the different people that are promoting it right now, which means that you're going to be able to get an indication of which product you're potentially going to have a lot of success with as well. So let's say, for example, you wanted to promote this one right here where you're going to be able to make around $60 per every single conversion that you get. Of course, you need to make sure that you fully understand exactly what this product is so that you're going to be able to promote it in the best way possible. But the way that you're going to be able to get people to click your ClickBank affiliate links is by offering people on TikTok a free ebook. And that's where ChatGPT comes in, because as you guys can see over here, I started another chat and I said, hey, can you write me an ebook? And then it said, yes, I can certainly write you an ebook. I then said, can you write me a 10-chapter book dealing with a breakup? The reason why I decided to go with a breakup is because of the type of product that we're looking at, which is in the self-help, marriage, relationship type of niche. It then said it can help me with this. It broke down 10 different chapters for the entire ebook. I then said, can you write me a 300-word chapter for chapter 1? And that's exactly what it did. I said the exact same thing for chapter 2. It did the exact same thing again for chapter 2. I did it for all 10 chapters. From there, I was able to copy and paste the entire ebook into Word, read through it, make sure that it was okay, check the grammar, check the spelling, saved it as PDF. If you're following along step by step, you can then go over to Canva, create an ebook cover. Very easy to do because they've got so many different ebook cover templates. Then what you need to do is create a landing page, and you can use Aweber to do that. Very simple process, and you're going to be able to sign up for a free account by clicking the link in my description down below. This landing page is going to, number one, give you a professional look, and it's also going to help you collect the email address for the person that has shown some sort of interest in your content. Once you've automated your landing page so that you automatically send out the ebook whenever someone enters their email address, you can also set up an email sequence so that you can also automatically send out all of your ClickBank affiliate links to that person as well. But of course, there's so many other ways that you can use this AI bot when it comes to making money online. If you want me to make another detailed video breaking down some other ways that you can use it, then put it in the comments down below, do the ChatGPT video, and I'll get onto that ASAP. And if you want to sign up for my completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to personally send you out an email when it comes to helping you make money online, whether it's an email about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, whatever the case is, I'm going to send an email directly to your inbox twice a week to help you on your money making journey. So if you want to sign up for that, you can click the first link in the description down below. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down everything that I personally do when it comes to building online businesses so that you guys can get an insight of what can work for you too, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.